house make a hole.
Ta-da! Now we have a full bottle of milk to feed Goofy Baby. Here you go, sweetie. And oh dear, please don't cry, Goofy Baby.
Who's making all the racket? All right, let's hold the rockets. Well, it's a pretty little baby. Oh, look at the little guy. Hello there. Hello there. Who's a cute little pretty boy? Goofy Baby won't stop crying, and we've tried everything. Gee, we already changed his diaper and took him for a walk.
And we just studied. What else can we do?
Just let him be. Did you burp him?
No.
Well, that's probably why the little guy's crying. After you feed a baby, you've got to burp him. Oh, look at him come here, little bitty. You know, to get me to burp, my mama always patted me on the back like this. Top, top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle. Top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle. Let's all pat Goofy Baby.
George.
Gee, thanks for your help, Pete. And thank you, too. Oh, sure thing, pal. But just remember to keep it down. I get cranky without my dad.